You're watching how to delete all alarms at once on Android. The stock clock app on Android does not have a delete all button. You must delete alarms individually. Open the clock app and tap the alarm tab at the bottom. You will see your list of alarms. Tap the toggle next to each alarm to turn it off, but this does not delete it. To delete, tap on the alarm's time to open its edit screen. At the bottom, tap the trash can icon or delete. Confirm deletion. Repeat for every alarm. For a faster method, try clearing the app's data. This will delete all alarms and reset the app. Go to your phone's settings apps, find and tap clock, tap storage, then tap clear data or clear storage. Confirm. This will delete all alarms, timers, and world clocks, resetting the app to default. Your personal data is not affected. Another option is to use a third-party alarm app from the Play Store that includes a mass delete feature. Search for alarm clock and check the app description for batch delete. If you have a Samsung phone, the Samsung Clock app may allow you to select multiple alarms. Open the app, go to Alarms, tap the three-dot menu, and look for Select Alarms or Delete Multiple. If available, you can check each alarm and delete them at once. Otherwise, the clear data method is the quickest way to remove all alarms simultaneously. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.